All right, so special thanks to this company for sending me this flower garden toy. Wanted me to just do an unboxing for you guys, so, well, that's what we're gonna do. Gonna cut this out, and look at all this. So it comes with everything you see here, and you're basically able to make a flower garden out of these toys. So you can see here on the photos, that would give you an idea of exactly what this product could do. For a kid who maybe likes flowers or also likes building things, this could be very exciting for them. Nice little latch on the front. We'll undo it and open it on up. Wow. Not cheap, flimsy pieces. These seem like these will stick together pretty well, however they stick together. What do we got? What do we got? Let's take, oh, that's what the tape's for. Cut the tape, cut the tape, cut the tape. So take that out. Oh, and then look at that. Got much more down in there. All kinds of little leaves. Everything that they showed you there is there. Well, dang. I don't want to take all this out and make a huge mess, but this is essentially what this would look like when you bought it, and you're able to put it all together yourself. So there we go. And then it folds up neatly, locks, and you got your little carrying handle. You ain't got nothing to worry about. So there we go. That'll do it for this flower garden toy. Again, special thanks to them for sending this to me to show you guys what you're getting here. I don't want to lay out every single product, but it basically shows you right there everything that you get and what you're really able to do with this. So we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.